Hey guys, what's up? It's Katie Austin here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a cooking video and I'm gonna be showing you one of my favorite Mediterranean vegetarian bowls. 5 ingredients, a lot to take in, but I promise it's simple and it's quick, it's easy, and super healthy. It has no meat in it. We're getting all that protein from the good lentils in there and that quinoa. So, what I did first things first is actually cook the quinoa directed on the package. What I did was 2 cups water, 1 cup quinoa, which is the usual for a quinoa direction package. So what I'm gonna do is actually fill up a bowl about half a cup of the quinoa. And then what I'm going to do, I'm gonna layer some olive oil onto it as well, just for good flavor, for good moisture. And then put a little bit of these lentils in there, probably about 1/4 cup. Then instead of layering it with the olive oil this time, I'm gonna layer it with some lemon squeeze. Lemon makes this taste so good and so fresh. Perfect. And then I cut up some cherry tomatoes in quarters and halves and I'm just gonna throw it on there. Again, probably about 1/4 cup of these diced cherry tomatoes. And then again, I'm gonna layer some olive oil on top. Great, get those tomatoes to soak in some olive oil. And then I'm gonna take half of an avocado. This one looks pretty good. I mean, whenever I get an avocado that looks perfectly ripe, the mood is happy, let me tell you. So I'm just gonna slice up my avocado, take a fork, place it in my bowl. Looks so good. Then last but not least, I'm just gonna sprinkle some feta cheese, and feta cheese is actually my favorite kind of cheese, that or goat, and it's the best for you. So sprinkle a little bit of that on. I got this super fresh from the farmer's market, so I'm really excited about it. Yum, it gives it such great flavor. It makes it amazing. Of course, if you guys are vegan, you guys can make this a vegan bowl so easily by just not adding this cheese or getting vegan cheese. And last but not least, take a little bit more of that olive oil and sprinkle it on top. Then the salt and pepper to taste. Looks so good, you guys. It was about 5 ingredients, not including the little squeeze of lemon or the olive oil or the salt and pepper. So I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. There's not much cooking involved at all besides the quinoa. Just a little bit of chopping of the tomatoes and a little bit of organizing of your feta, your avocado, and lentils. And so it's really easy. It's really quick. You guys could take this to school. It's a great meal prep idea and you guys are going to love it. Let's try it. Looks so good. Oh my God. Oh my God, I could actually eat this every meal. Not even just saying that, this is my favorite type of bowl right here. This Mediterranean style is so healthy because we weren't really using any dressings besides the olive oil and the lemon, and so there's no like creamy dressing to it. There's no, Asian vinaigrette, which has a lot of sugar and a lot of sodium in it, so it's so healthy for you. And a lot of these ingredients are raw, like the tomatoes and the lentils, and so it's really good for you. Really simple, really easy, and delicious. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe, a quick 5 ingredient vegetarian bowl, and I will see you guys later.